At Susan Hirt Hagen CORE, we believe sound research and program evaluation are key to unlocking evidence-based knowledge and decision-making to make our world a better place. Our R&E team is made up of Penn State faculty and staff with varied backgrounds and expertise in social, developmental, educational, and clinical psychology, in addition to sociology and education. As an eclectic team, we approach projects from an array of thoughtful perspectives. We also work closely with our undergraduate and graduate students at Penn State Behrend and offer them the opportunity to participate in an open lab where they can conduct and apply research in community settings to discover new ways to solve problems and optimize growth.
In terms of our scholarly research at CORE, we examine risk and protective factors for youth. Our team has published research in the areas of bullying prevention, cyberbullying, relational aggression, resilience, and trauma-related outcomes. As a research center within the broader network of Penn State University, we have access to world-class resources, including leading faculty and state-of-the-art facilities. We are committed to advancing scientific knowledge in the area of positive youth development, which directly aligns with the early vision that Dr. Carl Kalgren and Susan Hirt Hagen had for CORE.
Our R&E team specializes in all aspects of program evaluation. We help schools, organizations, and individuals through their evaluation needs. This starts with developing a logic model to define your goals, the resources available to you, and your program activities. Then, we design our research study to evaluate whether your programming is indeed helping you achieve those goals. We collect the data using multiple methodologies, analyze it using appropriate statistical tools, and interpret the results for you and your team. Through this process, we leverage our research expertise to help you make the most informed decisions possible about your services. We are committed to following best practices and highlighting evidence-based programming in our work. If you are ready to move your mission forward, we would love to partner with you.